Adding camera movement in an AI generated video with cinematic style is difficult. To achieve this, you have to mention it in the prompt, otherwise it won't work. To solve this issue, this AI new features help to add camera movement easily. Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to add camera movement to the video using AI without mentioning it in the prompt. So the website name is helloai.video. Once you log in, just click on the create button and you will redirect to this page. Here there is three sections are there: image to video, text to video and subject reference. My previous video is about the subject reference, so be sure to check out after this video. To add the camera movement, you have to choose the text to video, and here you have to write the prompt, and once you write the prompt, you can see there is an icon of camera. Just click on that and you can find lots of camera angle features, and let me choose any one of them. I choose this one, right circling, and it will add in your prompt. Once you add, just click on that create button and it will start creating the video. Okay, the video is ready. Let's view the video. So the video and the camera movement are quite good, but the face is not clear. I tried to recreate the video and the new version is better than the original. Let's try a simple prompt, and the prompt is: a young man sits in a cafe enjoying a warm cup of coffee. So once you write the prompt, just click on the camera icon. This time I will choose the free selection. In free selection you can choose maximum 3 camera movement, and I will choose this track right, pedestal off and the zoom out. Let's see how it's perform. Just click on the creating button. Okay, the video is ready. Let's view the video. This video also good, but the only problem is that the character's hand is not holding the coffee mug correctly. If you like this kind of content, then check out this playlist about AI tools. I have added the links in the I button, end screen and the pin comment.